ఎంచండి బాబు షోకుండే బెస్ట్ ఉండే కైట్ తెచ్చిపోయి ఎంచావు షోకుండే.
In my constant search to find healthy and delicious recipes for my children, I was suggested this time and treasured recipe by my mother-in-law, which her mother used to feed her when she was a kid. Apparently, this used to be a very famous snack of their times. It is so simple, delicious, filled with protein, fiber, and minerals and vitamins that even you should try it. We have some sprouted horsegram, which we will pressure cook for around 4 to 5 whistles by adding some water. Then drain the water, but do not throw it. You can use it for making chapati or gravies. You can even drink it just like that by adding some salt to it. We are going to use just the sprouts for this recipe. For around 1 cup of sprouts, we will add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut and around 2 tablespoons of jaggery and some salt. Put them all in a blender and blend it very coarsely. Just pulse it for like 5 to 10 seconds. Actually, you do not even need to pulse it. We are pulsing it so that it's slightly easier for the kids to eat. You can also pack this for your kids' tiffin. This recipe can be prepared for morning breakfast too. And that's it. You can have it just like that with a spoon, or you can do it as we are doing it for our children to make it a little more interesting. Make small balls and give it to the kids so that it's easier for them to eat. Horsegram is a superfood for children as well as for adults. It is packed with protein, which is essential for building strong muscles and bones, for brain development and immunity, and for gut health. They are a delicious way to keep your little adventurers energized and ready to conquer the world. Thank you for liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Leave any suggestions in the comment section below.